Oh look, it's a stupid fucking router. God damn it, I can't. Okay, I'm gonna just cut this and edit it around the stops. Get out of the thing. Oh, it's like the sticker, and that's cool. And there's like so much goddamn plastic. And get all the bullshit off of the dang. Cool. Oh, so much fucking plastic. Get off the thing, you son of a bitch. Looks like it's gonna route some fucking traffic. F. Sick. Oh, fuck, look at this goddamn nightmare. Okay. We're gonna go network. Put that there. And then fucking power. This old 10-year-old fucking bullshit. Alright, we're gonna get some fucking LAN and some fucking power. Gotta turn it on. There's no lights. Oh, there's some lights, okay. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, God. This is so just the worst spot. Just loose power supply. It's fucking so good. I like the most goodest technology. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Alright, so I got the ether webs plugged in. That one just lit up finally. Oh my god, so many blinky bullshit lights. Oh god, it's too much chaos. You working? Alright, let's get into the programming and shit. It doesn't seem to like what the internet do. It's not feeling it. Orange or red is not good, right? Shit. I'm bummed I have to retire this fucking Apple router. I can't believe they don't make more airports now. Like, they were so good. They even still support the damn thing with like the Airport Express bullshit from like 900 years ago. Yet, they just stopped making these. I would pay $800 for a goddamn Wi-Fi 7 Apple router. Just take my money, you idiots. Fuck. Everyone's dumb. Alright, I think our internet light has come back on. Let's go and do some programmulating. Alright, put my goddamn cocktail down. My $900 mouse. Oh, that's some sort of fucking bill of sale bullshit. Leave. Alright, let's grab a IP address and get going. Boom. Alright, what's my password? Oh, I gotta come up with a password? Shit, alright, fuck me. Look, I made a password, yay! We got a specific time, auto detect, yeah. Yeah, I don't want to spoof any MAC addresses or whatever. Network name, I'm gonna figure this out. So there's like a connection test, and it's like, hey, dog, give me a minute, or whatever. Just fucking do it. I can do automatic firmware update. Yeah, I'm super down with it. Oh, look, There's a firmware update already. That's tight. Let's fucking get it. Update that shit. Do it. Oh, fuck. It's rebooting. God dang. Cocktail. This computer's stupid. I have an Intel video card, like a fucking moron. Too many USBs, and I could just spill my cocktail on it any given second. What the fuck is this thing? I designed this. I put this together myself. I think I might be slow. God damn it. Let's get this thing out of here. This is a loose power supply. Is this router, like, is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be good? Shit, I don't know. But my ADHD is more like AD4K. It's getting out of control here, man. Okay, we're rebooted. On my online duration, I got IP addresses and shit. It looks alright, but alright, let's get some speed tests going. Download, you son of a bitch. Alright, let's do some fucking business. Oh, that's pretty good. That's not bad. I like how much beef my internet has. It's weird that if you replace your router once every 10 years, like a whole decade goes by and it fucking gets lit. Sick. Alright, we're just gonna go ahead and carefully get rid of all the bullshit. Fuck. Alright, let's grab a crop top. See what the Wi-Fi actually do. So we're gonna go option, click, and $600. That doesn't sound right. AX is cool. 5 gigahertz. I should be on the 6 gigahertz band though, shouldn't I? Why is it flip-flopping? It's 680 megahertz, and then it drops to like 143. Like, that's fucking lame. Do I have to give the fucking 6 gigahertz band its own SSID? I don't want to do that. That's lame. Fuck me. Let's download this speed test. Download the shit. Come on, do it. So I'm getting 600. I think I can do better. Give me more beef. Come on. What? 200? Nope. No banks. Get out of here. And get back into the router and then maybe set the 6 gigahertz up on its own channel because my crap top will not connect to the right band. Alright, so we're calling it that now, which is dumb. I hate it. Alright, is that connecting? Alright, so let's connect here, get some info. 6 gigahertz, channel 69, that's fucking hot. And we're doing 2269, huh? Alright, well that's pretty reasonable, I suppose. Fucking tight, dog. Let's do speed test. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna get any more than a gig, because that's just the internet. My internet is gig, but it's pretty decent. Well, fuck me. This was underwhelming. I'm not particularly whelmed. How is a 10-year-old garbage router fine? How is it fine? Apple needs to fucking step up their... Like, I understand I can only get a gig to the internet. I need a test between, like, data transfer from within the local network. Oh my god, my place looks like fucking hell. I think I might have a problem. I'm like a hoarder. Am I a hoarder? God damn it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, look, it's a bug. That's cool.